Never leave a safety switch bypassed after troubleshooting. Temporary bypasses are for immediate diagnostics only and must be treated with urgency and care. Always de-energize circuits and verify power is off with a properly rated tester before working on or removing a safety device. When you must bypass briefly to locate a fault, mark the circuit clearly with a durable tag and document the exact change, including the time and reason, so anyone else encountering the equipment knows the status. Restore wiring to the original configuration as soon as testing is complete and confirm correct operation by cycling the switch and repeating functional tests under normal load. If a switch is found to be defective, replace it with an exact or manufacturer-approved equivalent and retest the system before returning it to service. Keep a simple checklist on site that lists lockout, tagout steps, tester verification, bypass documentation, replacement part details, and a final operational test so nothing is missed. Common mistakes include leaving a bypass in place because the repair is delayed or parts are not immediately available. So, arrange replacements or schedule repairs before leaving the site and never use a bypass as a long-term workaround. Another frequent issue is poor or missing documentation, which leads others to assume the equipment is safe. The concise remedy is to create and attach a visible, legible tag and log the action in the job record or maintenance system. A third problem is incorrect reinstallation of wiring after testing, which can create hidden faults. So always compare the restored wiring to the original schematic, or take a clear photo before making changes, then verify with a continuity and functional test. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors for home repair and improvement projects, and provide a discussion community where members share experiences and practical tips. We help contractors find work by letting them present skills and interact with neighbors who need reliable services.